Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrick. Today I'm going to share with you a website that can create form easily, literally in minutes, and I think it's better than Google Forms. Alright, let's jump into it. The website is called JotForm. Okay, so why not we create some form to show you that how these things works. Create a form. Okay, so you can use template or start from scratch or import the form. Okay, I don't know where does it import from. So import from web page or import from PDF form. Okay, so I'm not going to import anything. Okay, I'm going to use template. I will show you how these things works. And actually this is a paid websites. If you want to sign up for better one, this is actually I'm using a free account. Okay, so if you want to sign up for a paid account, you can check the link in the description. Okay, so these are the category that you can choose from. There's plenty of them. You can find, I think for sure you can find one. Alright, or you can 900 templates for order forms only. See, registration forms, you have 800 plus. So there's plenty of the templates they have over here. So even I choose one. Okay, alright, one of them. See, this is a student registration form. Okay, it's beautifully designed. Alright, so you can actually use this template. Okay, I just use this template, and you can use this form to collect student registration. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, so this is the form that I imported from the template. Okay, you can see a lot of fields over here. Okay, so these fields is actually grouped together. Alright, address, it will have standardized the whole thing. How many fields are there? Okay, this one, same thing. Okay, birthday, gender, student name. Okay, alright, you can make the settings over here, so you can have it whether it's required or not, or you want to set it as default. This one also same thing, you can set it as required, maybe a red dot over here, right? Required. Student name, of course you want a student name without a name. Alright, okay, so you can actually duplicate the field, copy again, so I'm not going to do here. So address, student email, let's see what they have for student email. Okay, options, limit entry, limit the maximum number of characters allowed, so you can limit it. Disallow free addresses, do not allow free email addresses such as Gmail and Hotmail. Oh, that's bad. Okay, so we can turn it off. Never mind. Confirmation, show a second field for email confirmation. Oh, okay, meaning that you have type again. So if I turn it on, you have to type twice. See? Okay, with auto. Okay, alright, let's see what advanced have. Placeholder, hover text, I don't think you need this. Read only, no. Shrink, make field smaller. If not, oh, okay, so it will have two fields in one row. Okay, move to a new line, hide field. field details. All right, unique student email, or this is the field that you will use when you try to export the data. All right, so field ID, I don't this is the field ID, is the text box field ID. So you can see that it's pretty much very complete form designer. Okay, you can publish it, you can preview it. Okay, publish it meaning that it will give you a URL and you can start promoting this field, this form, and then you get student registration right away. All right, so this is the URL. You can just copy it. Okay, copy this one, and maybe I go another browser so that it is not logged in, and you can paste and go, and that's it. That's a form. Okay, so people comes to this form and they can start to fill up the form, and then just submit. It will save to JotForm. Okay, inside JotForm you can retrieve the data. All right, so let's see, let's come back again. Form, so what is in the view form? Oh, this is the one. Okay, so PDF editor, so you can turn it into a PDF form. Okay, this form you can turn it to the PDF form so that you can email the form to anyone. Okay, so that they can fill up a form, save the PDF form, and email it back to you. So that's something else that Google Form cannot do. All right, conditions, email integration. That's pretty much quite a lot of functions over here. All right, you can try it out. I think this is great. All right, this is a great application. See this one, download fillable PDF. So the PDF that the form that you create, you can download it as PDF format. Okay. Okay, continue. Okay, this is the PDF form that you can download. Okay, you can download it. Let's try one. Okay, download it. Okay, download it to the desktop. Put it up on desktop. Okay, this one. See, this is my PDF viewer. Okay, let's say you fill up the form, and you can actually save or copy. See, save or copy. See, so I already filled up some of the form, and you save it. Okay, replace it, and then you come back over here. All right, take a look. We open it. See this one already filled in. Okay, so you can fill in by typing into the through your computer's keyboard, and then email it back to your to the other party lah. Okay. Okay, today's sharing until here. All right, if you like my video, smash the like button, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification, please. All right. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.